pretty common use case that you want some task to be run after specific time interval. This is generally known as a scheduled task. So let us say in our user service, at the end of each day, we want to send an email to the admin with total number of registered users. For our example purpose, we can consider to run this task after every 5 seconds. So before going into the task implementation, we will first add one method in user service that will return us the count of users from the users table. So here in the user service, we will be creating one method public long, uh, let's say get user count, which will return the count from user repository. This returns us the result in long, and then we can use this method in our scheduled task. So after this, let us create one package named as tasks, where we can create our scheduled task. Let us name it as analytics task. We will annotate it with singleton, and here we will add a method, let's say execute, and we will be annotating this method with @scheduled annotation. So @scheduled annotation provides us a way to schedule the tasks. We can give initial delay. If we want some initial delay, also we can give fixed delay. In our use case, we will have to give fixed delay as we want this task to run after every 5 seconds. So here we will say fixed delay equal to 5s, which is 5 seconds, and we will also include the logger, and here we will need to inject our service. So private final user service, add the constructor injection, and after that we will get the user count. Get user count, and for the demo purpose we will just log this user count. User count. But for actual use case, maybe we will be sending an email to the admin. But for demo purpose, we will just log this user count here. And now let us try running this application. Now, as you can see, we will be seeing this log after every 5 seconds. User count is 1,